Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So did you receive an item on Etsy but need a different size, color or version? Many Etsy sellers allow item exchanges, but the process depends on the shop's individual exchange policy. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to exchange an item on Etsy in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, you have to know that exchange depends on seller policies. You must contact the seller first. This works on mobile and desktop, and exchange approval is seller based. Okay, so now before requesting, open your order or item listing, scroll to shop policies and look for exchanges accepted, exchange time frame, item condition requirements. So policies vary between sellers. So now I want you to open your order, so go to etsy.com, sign in and tap profile icon and then select purchases and reviews. Okay, order details page open, as you can see. So now contact the seller, so tap help with order, select message, seller request exchange clearly. For example, message we have, hi, I received the item but would like to exchange it for a different size or color if possible, thank you. Seller provides exchange instructions. After approval, pack item securely, ship to seller's returns address, and use tracking if possible. Item usually must be unused. Okay, so once seller receives return, replacement item shipped, and new tracking number provided. Okay, so that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.